All right, y'all, we are live. Let me lower the music. Wow, that's loud. All right, y'all, we are live on this beautiful Friday afternoon. Blessings to everybody in the name of Yeshua, Jesus, the Messiah. I do pray everybody is super blessed on this beautiful day. Shout out to everybody in the chat right now. We got Crypto7, he says dump it. Shout out to Bruce W, he says uneven butt cheek crew. Shout out to Mike Navarrete, says Jason Gasper, best trader in the world. Well, I'm definitely not even close to that, but still, God bless you, bro. Thank you so much for being here. I'll be honest with you guys, I just got inside from doing a lot of work. I was shoveling compost into the garden, have not looked at the charts, still have not looked at the charts. Right now, currently in the trade from the setup that we gave in this morning's New York Open. And that is, I mean, pretty much where I'm at right now, guys. We were looking for this long this morning in the Casper crew. We were over here in the stream this morning. We were looking to come down to the 786. We were looking for bullish CVD into the box. And that's exactly what happened. We got the bullish CVD into the box, guys, and we came right down into the 786. And we got the old bounceroni and cheese. Tastes real good. Now, I'm going to have to take a look at the charts to see what's going to happen here. Because I don't know. Are we going to dump or are we going to pump? Let's check it out, guys. We are getting a pump to the upside, baby. Bitcoin is pumping right now. I've got my next take profit at 29,440. I'm basically looking to come and take the high right here. Let's see if we can do it. Now, I'm actually in two positions. I longed it on ByBit as well. So farewell to ByBit. But yeah, I'm long on ByBit, guys. I'm long on MEXC, baby. MEXC, if you want to trade with 0% limit fees and 0.02% market fee, it's actually a really good deal. Actually, I think it's 0.002%. Something crazy as Bitcoin's pumping up. Check the link in the description. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to the living man. Shout out to Crowbar. He says my office looks a little different. I guess it's a little bit hazy in the back here. I guess the green screens need to be readjusted, guys. If you know what I'm saying. There we go. Maybe that'll help a little bit. Shout out to Roberto Hernandez. He's getting ready to plant his peach tree and grapevine. That's legit, man. Shout out to All In Crypto. Shout out to Tony C in the chat. What is going on, my friend? Shout out to Martin Dupuis and Inca Warrior. Yeah, let me see a blue candle, baby. Come on, let's pump this Bitcoin straight to 100K. Let me get a blue candle. That's what I'm talking about, man. Shout out to everybody in the Casper crew who took this juicy trade this morning from the New York Open live stream, man. We patiently waited for it. We patiently waited. Okay, now that we are, let's see what's happening here. We're coming up to daily open. Are we going to hit this take profit? Are we going to hit this take profit? I want to assess the situation here, guys. I do want to assess the situation. Let's come to a let's come to an actual chart. Let me just put it on real quick. Give me 1 second. Guys, if we can get 1,000 likes, we'll be giving away Casper Crew VIP Discord for an entire lifetime, for lifetime free VIP. Lifetime free VIP. Okay, so here's what happened, guys. Here was the context of the market right here. All right. The context of the market. Man, should I just FOMO out now? Should I FOMO out now? Eat, clean, and trend hard. This is so true. This is 100. This is what I live by. People say, how do you get jacked? You just got to eat, clean, and trend hard, man. And Anavar give up. That's so true. What are we drinking? We're drinking some Zevia cream soda, guys. What's my plan when exchanges go off? ByBit. Look, I'm going to be trading on Bitget and MEXC. MEXC is great on the fees. Shout out to Summer R. When is the best time to join the VIP Discord? Anytime, man. Go to jasoncaspertrading.com and sign up right there. Anytime. Anytime, guys. Don't do trends, says Crypto7. I agree. I would never do any exogenous substances. I'm trying to be self-sufficient here. I'm not trying to be reliant on Big Pharma. All right, so we have 1 minute bearish divergences. All right, let's pop onto the chart here. Let's pop onto the chart, guys. and see what happens. Now, the context of this entire thing, guys, is this morning, right? We came down to a very key zone, as we can see right over here on the chart. We came down to this area right down here, and when we did so with bullish divergences on the 24-minute time frame. Right? We did so with bullish divergences on the 24-minute time frame. And what was this exact level? This exact level was one of the scalp areas that we were looking at in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, right? So this morning when I posted my levels, we were looking at this area right around 28,850-ish. A little bit, actually, front running a little bit 28,850. In fact, we can take a look here and see that basically we were looking for a retest of the value area high of this old range. Right? We were looking for a retest of the value area high of that old range. And so we came down to this area right around, yeah, 28,850, a little bit front running. And when we came down there, we did so with some bullish divergences on the 24-minute time frame, right? So once we saw that, and we saw we were getting the bullish divergences on the 24-minute time frame, we were looking then to get into a long on the retest because it was looking pretty dang bullish. When you see the juicy uneven butt cheek pattern right here, right, where you have a big juicy cheek on the left followed by a not so juicy cheek on the right, that is called a bullish divergence. And when you see that, it means it's a really good time to be looking to long a retest, right? So we were looking for the retest. If we come over to the Discord again, when we were doing the live stream this morning, we were looking for the following, right? We wanted to see price come down to the 786 region, golden pocket 786, and we want to see the CVD getting lower with the open interest getting higher. And that's exactly what happened. So that's how we were able to get into the juicy long trade right from this low right here, because we actually got in on the retest, right? So from that time, we are now getting a move up. All right, looks like we're about to hit a take profit here, but if we do pull the fib from the low to the high, we can see that we came down and we bounced right from. We go ahead and turn on our 618 and our 786. We can see that we got the retest, and right from that 786, and from that point, we have been getting the move to the upside, guys. So I'm actually looking for Bitcoin, if we can take out these highs. Are we going to hit some take profits here? I hope we can hit some take profits, guys. If we continue up from here, I'm actually expecting to make a new high. I am expecting to make a new high. But before we hit a new high, guys, we have to come up to 30,300, right? This would be my next major area of resistance way up here. Of course, we have other intermediate areas where I'm looking to also take profit on the long trade. So let's see how this goes here, guys. Let's see how this goes. Shout out to everybody in the Casper crew who took this juicy long trade along with me here. Now, looks like ByBit's struggling a little bit more to get up to that level here. But as you can see, guys, I'm actually still in the short trade from yesterday. And I actually even added a little bit to it just in case of Dump City, right? So, as you can see, I'm holding still a swing short trade from higher. I'm holding also that local scalp from yesterday. And I am currently in also this long scalp from this morning. So, I'm in more long trades right now than I am short trades. And I am also still holding the swing long trade that we gave on Monday in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. Gave the long from the exact bottom, and that's this trade that I'm currently in right now from about 27,000, right? So we're pretty long, man. We are long. We're long. Let's see if we can't pump the Bitcoin straight to 100K, baby. Let me see a blue candle. Let me see a blue candle. So what is happening here locally? Let's head on over to an order flow chart and take a look at what is happening. Okay, so we have come up above the VWAP, and we don't really see any bearish CVD forming here, which is nice. We had a pretty big decrease of open interest on this last push to the upside with 13 million. We had a whole bunch of shorts get wrecked. That's basically why we're getting this little move to the downside right here. We had a whole bunch of shorts getting wrecked up there. And we had some shorts open up again in this area. And we've consistently had some longs opening up here. So nothing too crazy. Let's see if we can't get that push to the upside. Let's see if we can't get that push to the upside right now. Shout out to Nikos. He says, take profit. Shout out to James, who took the long this morning. You're expecting a pump, so Paulio's expecting a pump. Do I have a plan if I can't offboard or trade? I think all exchanges are going to make it difficult for freedom fighters. Yeah, I'm looking into getting dual citizenship somewhere, honestly, because, yeah, I think that's what's up. Yeah, I think dual citizenship, that's where it's going to be. Whose life? Whoever wins. If we get 1,000 likes, we're going to be giving away a lifetime membership to the Casper Crew VIP Discord for as long as the winner lives. And when the winner passes on, we will revoke the membership. Shout out to Dave Digital. It's the same old long I'm holding. No, that's not true, Summit. Nope, this is the long from this morning, bro. From this morning. In the Casper Crew, baby. VIP live stream. This is a brand new long from this morning, bro. This is the 5-minute time frame. Now, this one over here, this is a swing long trade. This is the same one I've been holding, right? This is the one I've been holding. But this one right here, brand spanking new. Apex Pro, yeah, that's a good DEX to use. That's a good DEX to use. Absolutely. Let's go. Shout out to BCN. Random Tuts. This trade that I'm in right now, my friend, I literally gave this setup in the live stream this morning, showing exactly what we were looking for, man. So if you were watching the stream, you would have caught it, bro. Practicing exactly what we preach. We came down, we hit the level, we waited patiently for a retest with a bullish divergence, and then we took the trade, my friend. So it is what it is. Will this be the first weekend we'll have a pump instead of a dump? I hope so. Shout out to Robert Bodnar holding it down with the wrench. Holding it down with the wrench, man. All right, let's see if we can't get a little pumperoni. So the Bitcoin price, guys, is in a very interesting place right now, because if we take a look at what's happening here on the higher time frames. In fact, I'm going to go to a higher time frame chart here. We're going to go to the weekly. All right. We're going to go to the weekly. Now, I know we've been looking at this for a long time, but it is very important. It's very important. Right now, we are coming up to a major level of resistance. This literally is make it or break it, because not only are we coming up to a major level of resistance, but what's potentially happening right here is that we're making our first lower high on the daily time frame. So if we go to the daily time frame, we can see that we made our high right back up here. We got to move to the downside. We didn't make a lower low, so this is not officially bearish market structure. But if we make a lower high here and then we put in that lower low, this will officially be, in my opinion, a confirmed head and shoulders breakdown, in which case I would say we should look for a trigger wave here and look for more follow through with this bearish divergence, right? The bearish divergence, the Elizabeth Warren eyebrow pattern, which is forming on the chart, right? The eyebrows, we got one eyebrow right here. We got one eyebrow right here, getting lower as the price is getting higher. We got these nice, beautiful smile right here. Okay. Now, you know, people always ask, Elizabeth Warren, what's with the red tattoos on your forehead, right? What's with those red tattoos on your forehead? Well, here's the thing. We know that she claims that she's not white. She's actually Native American. but she exposed herself in the lie, right? Because clearly she confused Native Americans with actual Indians, and she messed up. She was trying to get herself one of these, right? A bindi, right? But she doesn't really know how to do it. She thought it was 2 dots over the eyebrow. She didn't know it was 1 dot in the middle. She's exposing herself right now. She is just an old white lady, an owl, an old white lady. That's what she is, and she's got crooked eyebrows, and she's potentially leading us into into a head and shoulders pattern right here. And you know, this is really what I'm looking at right now for the potential of the high, the lower high to be put in, because we did put in that high on a Wednesday. Right, and typically Wednesday is the weekly high, so we really need to watch what happens over this weekend. The key level that we cannot lose right here is going to be this 26,479 level. Now, here's something else that we also need to be paying attention to. Keep in mind that the resistance that we're at right here is a very, very intense level. It's not just one line, right? When we go to the weekly, it's a big old box, right? It's a big old box. What that means, because the weekly is printing a red dot here, and as Flopping Groper has correctly pointed out, it is in fact a hidden bearish divergence, right? It's a hidden bearish divergence, right? Price is making a lower high, momentum is making a higher high. So there's some real bearish potential right here. But if we come up and we make another higher high, right? Let's say we make another higher high. People are going to get really bullish if we make another higher high here. People are going to get super dang bullish, okay? We need to be aware that Elizabeth Warren could potentially print a 3rd eyebrow, okay? If Elizabeth Warren prints a 3rd eyebrow with continuous bullish divergence, bearish divergence, it could really lead to another move to the downside, right? It really could. So we need to be careful. Just because we make a higher high here doesn't mean we're out of the woods. In my opinion, we are not out of the woods of this resistance until we actually come up above and then bounce and hold the value area low as support, right? We need to hold the value area low of this massive 2-year range. I'm talking about the 29,305 level. We need to hold 29,300 as support. Right now, it's kind of acting as our resistance. And do you guys notice how on the move up that we're getting right now, we are literally, look at what's been our resistance for the past few. Like, look at how the 29,300 level has been respected so much. This is the macro value area low, right? This is the macro value area low. 29,300. This blue line right here, this is the macro value area low, meaning this is such a key level right here. We need to get a big pump up and then backtest and hold this as support on a high time frame. I'm not talking about the 1 minute that I'm on right now. I'm talking about a high time frame. You know? And then I think we can be looking for much more upside. So this is what's happening on the higher term timeframes here. You know, even on the weekly, it doesn't look so great because we had a weekly candle close above, we had a weekly candle close below, and if this weekly candle closes below, will that not look like a back test, right? So that's what we need to be aware of. Now, when we go to the lower term timeframes like the daily, it is looking kind of bullish here, but the VWAP is starting to flop over. All right, so we could very easily get this VWAP coming back down. What used to be a happy wappy turning into a floppy wappy, and the VWAP just starts to flop down to the slop. And then we're looking down toward that $25,000 level, guys. And 25,000 is a nice level. It's a nice level of support because it's the 382 Fibonacci from the low to the high. But also we have a juicy level down here at the golden pocket, the point of control of the macro range. This is also going to be key on the way down because look, we would maintain the uptrend. We could maintain the uptrend. It would fake everybody out because everybody and their grandmother. In fact, my grandmother called me the other day and said she was looking at 25,000 for a juicy long. And I thought to myself, my grandma's looking for a long at 25K. Maybe that's too obvious. Maybe we need to fake some people out. Maybe we need to scare some people, right? Come back down to test the Fibonacci golden pocket, right? Perhaps. And if we do that, right? Let's say we do that and we get something like this, right? And we start to make our way down in the next few It could be a while, right? It could be months. It could literally be months, right? Sell in May and walk away. We could start to see the daily time frame do something like this. And do you know what that is? That is called a hidden bullish divergence, where price is making a higher low in an uptrend and the momentum is making a lower low. And if we see this on the daily time frame, and then we come down to the 4-hour time frame, and we're seeing the Sam Bankman-Fried bullish man boob pattern, where market Cipher B's money flow is getting higher, and also the momentum waves, aka Sam Bankman's man boobs, are getting higher. That is a hidden regular confirmation, right? This is how we took a long trade in the Casper crew from right here, right? And also the long trade from right here. We took the long trade from right here as well, right from that CME gap that got filled. And the way we were looking is on the daily time frame in both of those instances, as the price was making higher lows. The momentum on market Cipher B was making lower lows. This is a continuation pattern in an uptrend. So this is what we would want to see. This is how we're going to know that we can start to look to enter into a trade that we could hold for quite some time. Now I'm going to take a look at the trades I'm already in right now. Let's pop over and take a quick look-see. Did I hit a take profit yet? No, I did not hit a take profit yet, guys. I did not hit a take profit yet. N4M333 says I have a big imagination. You know what? My imagination is huge. And let me take the time to talk about my big imagination for a second here. One of the things that I feel gives me an edge personally in trading these markets is the ability to have a good imagination, right? If we can come to a chart and we can imagine what I want to see happen, what are possibilities? What possibilities could happen here? Let's imagine some possibilities. What does that do for us? That puts us in a position where, regardless of what happens with the price, we already have a plan, a premeditated plan to take action on a trade, right? This is how we're able to take trades from the wicks, right? Because we have a premeditated plan. If price comes down here to the retest of the 786, with certain things, I can get into a long trade, right? We make the plan. We're imagining, right? We imagined it. We imagined it this morning in the live stream before it happened, right? And then when it does happen, we're not caught off guard. You know, the same thing can be said about the swing long trade that I'm in right now. I mean, from the exact bottom. How is this possible? How is that possible? It's because we imagined it, right? We imagined it. And when you do this, right, what does it do? It prepares you. Instead of being one of those people that's like, you know what, I feel like this is going to happen, or, you know, maybe I feel like we're going to dump today because futures expires at the end of the month, and, you know, something, or, you know, people have these weird reasons as to why they have to feel a certain way. This takes all the pressure off. I don't have to feel anyway, right? I don't have to feel anyway. It takes a lot of the pressure off. It's like, you know what, I don't care what happens, because whatever happens, I got myself a plan. Why? Because I use my imagination. If you know what I'm talking about. Shout out to SpongeBob. I love SpongeBob. Now, it looks like we're starting to get a little dumperoni and cheese here. Okay? So I'm actually going to market out a little profit here. And the marketing out is actually going to cause a pump. The marketing out is going to cause a pump. So let's take some profits here. Let's market out and cause a little pump here. Is that even worth it? Is that even worth it? Yeah, that's worth it. What the heck? We have some CVD absorption. Let's check it out. Let's check out the order flow chart and see what's happening. Shout out to Dylan Waves. He thought of SpongeBob as well. Shout out to Terry Darling. Yeah, imagination is everything. That's what we got to do. Shout out to Splashfire Films, who got into the same exact long. And shout out to Mitchell Seiberg. How's the new garden doing? It's doing good. You know, it's raining out today, so it's getting some good water. 4-hour market Cipher B is looking bullish. Okay, let's check this out here. Let's check out our CVD. Ooh. Yeah, that does look kind of bearish. Yeah, we've got a bearish divergence up in here. We definitely have a bearish CVD divergence right here. Wow, look at that. That is very bearish looking. All right, it's a good thing I FOMO'd out some profits there. Yeah, the hidden regular strategy. The hidden regular strategy. Shout out to Kaboom Gaming, man. Kaboom. Good to see you here, man. Good to see you here. Wow, so Reach or Roast says, dude, SpongeBob has gone the W word and crazy T word. Check out the list of tunes that have been infiltrated by the ignorant W agenda. Yeah, I believe that, man. I do believe that. That is kind of sad to hear, you know. That is kind of sad to hear. We didn't break that high earlier. How's MEXC trading platform? I really like MEXC, right? I've been enjoying MEXC. I've been trading on it for a long time now, right? I took a swing long on Bitcoin from 20K, closed it 2 weeks ago. I like the platform. I like the mobile app. The mobile app is really easy to use. Something that I like about the mobile app too is this. So if you go into the app and you click the chart button, it will show you, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it shows you everything as if you're on the computer, right? So I think Bitget does this too. But you can see my positions there. Actually, you can't really see them because I have a green screen on and they're green. But these things right here, this is my order and my stop loss right there, right? So it'll tell you, you know, your position size and your stop loss and all this kind of stuff. That's one thing I like about the mobile app. It's very easy to use. It's just like ByBit. The only difference, guys, is that there's no night mode on the app, which sucks. That's the only thing I dislike about the mobile app. So you got to look at the white. So when you wake up in the middle of the night, you're jolted awake. You traders know how it is. You're sleeping peacefully. All of a sudden, your wife moves, and you wake up a little bit, and you're like, oh, I'm so tired, I'm going to go back to sleep. But then you think, I wonder what Bitcoin's doing right now. So you take out your phone, which you know is bad. You know you shouldn't be looking at the blue light, right? It's bad to look at the blue light. You got to take your phone out, and you look at the charts, and then you check your trades, right? First, you check your trades. You don't care about the charts. You open up ByBit first. And you look to see, okay, how many positions did I have open when I went to bed? And you check that number of positions that's open. Make sure that number's the same. Okay, whew, all my trades are still open. Okay, and then you look down, see what your profits are, and then you check TradingView. That's the order of operations, and see, you know, what's market Cipher B looking like now. Unfortunately, guys, when you're using the MEXC Global, it's white. So yeah, you're totally not going to sleep the rest of the night, if you know what I'm saying. Shout out to Lifer Adam. You can do dark mode on your phone. Okay, maybe I'm just too ignorant, guys. I might be too ignorant. Okay, so there is. Okay, awesome. There's a night mode on the app. Okay, so I take everything back, guys. You can still wake up at 3 a.m. and trade. All right, let's see. How do I do it? I looked in settings, you know. I looked in settings. Let's see. All right, maybe I'm just too stupid, guys. You know, I'm not very smart, which is why this is not financial advice, okay? This is not financial advice. Shout out to Surface 9. Shout out to Surface9 in the chat, guys. If we can get 1,000 likes, we'll be giving away the Casper Crew VIP lifetime subscription for one person. Okay, so MEXC does have dark mode. It does. It does. Uh-oh. Cadillac Records is on to me. Is that Big Butts 28 on my phone, or is that some random chick? I'll have to let you decide, my friend. Shout out to Big Butts 28. Shout out to Big Butts 28. Okay, you have to set it at your profile page. Is that an inverse head and shoulders? Look, I'm on MEXC right now. What you're looking at is MEXC. I'm talking about the mobile app, okay? I'm talking about the mobile app. I can't figure out night mode. Can't figure out night mode on the mobile app. Just kidding. Just kidding. It has night mode, guys. Alright, MEXC is the best, guys. It's the best. Shout out to y'all. Shout out to y'all. It's the best. It has night mode. This is what I'm talking about. Alright, this is cool. Alright, man. What would I do without y'all? What would I do without y'all? Do I not like the exchange that CryptoFace uses? No, I do like the exchange that CryptoFace uses. Bitget is legit. I trade on Bitget as well. Okay, I trade on Bitget as well. Shout out to Millennial Crypto Investing. All right, so let's pop over. Let's pop over once again to. Oh my goodness! Wow! Wow! Oh my goodness! Wow. Okay, 1.5 million shorts just opened up here. 1.5 million shorts just opened up out of nowhere, giving us this crazy, sponsored by Pfizer, increase of open interest. We've got a crazy purple candle here, net shorts opening up, 1.5 million shorts just opening up out of nowhere. All right, let's come over to coinlines.net. Wow, can you guys believe what has just happened here? Look at this crazy amount of shorts that have just opened here. Out of nowhere, guys. Somebody, is that Sato? Somebody just opened up a huge short right here. Somebody just put their money on the line, risking. Oh my goodness, and they are getting squeezed, baby. They are getting squeezed, baby. Look at that crazy short squeeze, man. Look at these shorts. Somebody shorted 1.5 million in this candle and they got absorbed. Look at that. Come on, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. We're going to pump it straight to 100K, baby. Let me see a blue candle. Come on. Wow. Wow. That is crazy. All right, let's see what Market Cipher B is looking like right here. Let's check out good old Market Cipher B. All right, 1 minute Market Cipher B. What's happening? All right, so it is not doing anything, right? We're consolidating. We're consolidating. Let's head over to Market Cipher B real quick, guys. We are just consolidating right here, okay? Shout out to everybody in the chat, by the way. You guys are the best. May God bless you all. If everybody watching the stream right now gives a like, we'll give away a free membership to the Casper Crew VIP Discord. So Market Cipher B is just consolidating. We've got this triangle going right here. That was insane, guys. That was insane. So it's a good lesson to never buy low, to never sell low and buy high, because somebody bought low and man, did you see what happened to this person? He shorted 1.5 million and immediately got squeezed, and he's still open. He is holding true to his conviction that price is going to go low. We saw the net shorts open up. People are still shorting here. People are still shorting. So let's see what happens. Maybe we'll actually get some more bearish CVD forming here. Okay. That is pretty intense. Let's see. What we want to see here is we want to see more shorts coming in. We want to see this continue to get lower here. We want to see something like this. Right? We want to see the price making higher lows. We want to see the CVD making lower lows. And we want to see this open interest continue to creep on up. Creep. Like a creepy old uncle. The kind that, you know, sniffs random girls. Man, that was a crazy little pumperoni right there. So we are consolidating in what could be considered, guys, a bull flag. Now, New York is officially closed for the weekend. This is the time. Now is the time where crazy things happen, okay? Friday, New York is closed. There's no Asia open. There's no London open. That means this is where our CME futures gap is going to be, okay? Our CME futures gap is going to be right around here, right around this area. It is power hour, which means we get erratic price action during this time. We are seeing price making lower highs. We are seeing price making higher lows, consolidation into somewhat of a bull pennant. I would consider this a bull pennant because the trend is definitely up, right? The trend is definitely up here, as weak as it looks. So let's see, where would the projection of this bull pennant be? Let's check it out. Let's see our next target here. Next target is 29,687. 29,687, baby. Okay, 29,687. I've got a take profit at 29,778. So let's see here. All right, let's see. Shout out to everybody in the Casper crew who took this trade setup from this morning. Guys, if you want to join the Casper crew for free, like the video. We're going to be giving it away. Lifetime subscription to the Casper crew. Also, if you want to join not for free, check out the website at jasoncaspertrading.com. You can click right here to join the Discord. Also, trading courses, 25% off both courses. The order flow course to teach you how to use exo charts and all that. And the regular course, which if you don't know anything about trading, this will put you in the right direction. Also, guys, MEXC, great deal. 0% maker fees, 33% off taker fees. This is the exchange I'm currently trading on right now. May 8th, ByBit will require KYC for all people. That means if you're in an area that, wow, what is going on with this? If you're in an area that doesn't allow you to trade on ByBit without KYC, you better find another exchange. Shout out to Mr. Devil. He liked the video. Shout out to In Real Life Crypto. He says, smack into the 786. Are we in? Did we just smack into the 786? Let's see what's going on, okay? Did we just smack? Oh my goodness, wow. We need to watch this. All right, let's zoom in here. Shout out to the dislikers of the video. May God bless you all in Jesus' name. And may God bless all the likers of the video also in Jesus' name. Even if you're not religious, I still pray that you're blessed and your family's blessed and that good things come your way. You know, no hate here, guys. No hate. And I also hope you find a YouTube channel that gives the kind of content you're looking for. More serious content, more professional, better hair, okay? This is some weird hair. What is going on with this hair? All right, wow, we're more than halfway there, living on a prayer, baby. Shout out to Dougal Dog, who says, dig your team, Jay, K-Pax, White Phoenix, and Bojan are top notch. Not sure about Spartan Wrestler. Spartan Wrestler's the man. Shout out to Spartan Wrestler. Shout out to Boyan. Shout out to K-Pax. Shout out to White Phoenix, guys. These guys are absolutely crushing it, right? So, you know, I longed it from right here, but Boyan, he longed it from right here. Man, Boyan longed it from right here. He gave that setup in the London Open live stream this morning. Because in the Casper crew, it's not just me giving setups and stuff. We got a whole team in here. Boyan this morning, he gave that setup from the from this low. Yeah, he gave it from the exact low. Right, I waited for a retest. He was looking to long the previous day point and control it, and he drew this doodle. And then we came down, and his doodle played out like literally to the dollar, man. Shout out to Boyan for drawing the doodle, playing out to the dang dollar. Shout out to Tom Janowitz. He's looking for the lifetime membership. Shout out to you for the super chat. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Shout out to Boyan. Shout out to K-Pax, man. K-Pax is, man, I don't know. He's on a whole nother level, that guy. K-Pax is a crazy good trader. He is insane. And shout out to White Phoenix, man. White Phoenix with the crazy calls. An amazing trader. And everybody has a different trading style too, which I appreciate. I learned so much from these guys. Shout out to Crowbar. Where would I set my next long or short position? I don't know if I would set anything, but the next place I'm looking to short is going to be at this take profit up here. $30,300 is the next place I'm looking to short. I'm looking, honestly, to take out all these highs. If we go to the 1 hour. Yeah, I'm looking to take out these two highs here. At least get a little retracement from this zone. And then, honestly, I'd be looking to take out this high. I mean, as you can see, I've got take profit set on this long trade going all the way up to 31,046, which is the previous high. That's the next place I would really look for a short, though, is 30,300. That's the next place I would look. But we need to wait and see what happens in this local bull flag here. Are we going to break out? Are we going to pump, or are we going to dump, right? Let's go back to our order flow chart and see what's happening here. Yeah, boy, he is fire. Wow, we got about 1,000 people in here, 600 likes. If 400 people like the stream right now, we'll give away a lifetime membership to the Casper Crew VIP Discord. Shout out to AJ Money. Shout out to Kamale79 says, aloha. Aloha to you. Aloha to you. We should do a cruise ship meetup. That would be legit. That would be super legit. I love cruises. I used to go on cruises back in the day. I need to move my take profit to 29,900 liquidity. Let's check it out. 29,900 liquidity. I do have a take profit. I'm front running it by a few $100 because look, I like to front run my take profits. You can't go wrong front running take profits because, you know, nobody ever went broke taking profits, but sometimes people went broke taking profits too early, but most of the time I think that's a pretty good place to TP. If we break down from this, guys, it's not looking so great. Let's get back to our order flow chart and see like what is actually happening here. So those shorts are still open, and we are not forming bullish CVD. So this is really not what I want to see locally. This is not what I want to see locally, guys. What I wanted to see is something like this, right? I wanted to see the CVD getting lower here, and hopefully showing that these shorts were being absorbed. But we have a lot of shorts that have opened up right here, right? A lot of shorts, 1.5 million shorts opened up right here in this circle. In fact, literally in the exact low, in this exact wick, 1.5 million shorts opened up. And so look, the shorts are right now in control, I would say, of this price action, unless we can see some kind of absorption happening, unless we see more shorts coming in and the price is unable to make that lower low. Or we could even see it from here as well. But right now it's not looking so great, guys. I'll be honest with you. It's not looking so great. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see, right? We're just trading this little triangle here. Let's check out our you know, let's treat this more like a symmetrical triangle. Let's check out the breakdown target of this thing. The breakdown target of this triangle is going to be coming all the way back down to about 29,180. 29,180. Okay, so 29,180. Is that any kind of golden pocket retracement? Let's see. No, that's about the 0.5 fib right there. It's about the 0.5 fib. Alright, so let's do a little local TA here, guys. Let's do some local TA. I'm going to pull out a range, and we're just going to analyze this move to the upside thus far. Okay. Man, so, look, if we come back down into this zone. We do have a nice confluence at the high volume node slash 0.5 fib. If we lose that, I would actually be looking down all the way back down here to the 786, which is a pretty significant move to the downside. And the reason why is because it's the value area low of the range. Right now, local support is going to be the retest of 29,275. It's the value area high of the old range, right? Support number 1, support number 2 would then be the point of control. Support number 3, typically we're looking at the golden pocket, but because yeah, we could look at the golden pocket, right? We could come down and just like take these lows and get a bounce from the 618, and then we'd be looking down to the 786. I mean, these we've got 4 zones of support on the way down here that could hold us, that might keep me in this long trade here, right? I'm gonna stay in the long. I'm gonna stay in the long. Any thoughts on PHEMEX? I don't like PHEMEX. I don't like it. There's a lot of slippage and stuff like that. There's a lot of slippage on it. The app always lags. I had a lot of issues trading PHEMEX. All right, so now let's take a look at some higher time frame stuff here. Get a little overall context of what's happening. Okay, so we know we are breaking down from that triangle right now. This is the larger range right here. So yeah, honestly, I would really like to hold. It's actually pretty important that we hold this value area high. If we start to lose this, that does open the door to a lot more downside, because look at how much we struggled to get above this high volume node. I would really like to hold this high volume node. I'm going to now pull one more volume range from this last local high. Yeah, it's very important that we hold this box right here, guys. In my opinion, if we don't hold this box, that opens up the door for a lot more downside. So we are breaking down from this. Right, we're at the apex of this, and we're starting to head down. Momentum's getting lower here, so we've officially now broken not only the triangle, but we've broken the consolidation trend on market Cipher. So let's kind of wait and see what happens as we make a lower low here. Oh wow, okay, so look at this, guys. We are having shorts come in here. People are trading this, people are longing this, people are shorting this right now. People are longing and shorting. We have an increase of open interest happening right here, which means people are like putting money onto the trades. We have the VWAP just below us as well. We have a lot of confluence, guys. We have VWAP, we have the high volume node of this entire range. We have the value area high of the mini range just below us. So this green box is an important level that I would like to see hold. If it doesn't hold, I'm probably going to close my scalp longs and call it a week, because I don't trade on the weekends, right? So let's see what happens here as we break down from this box. Okay. I don't want to lose that. It could be a bullish retest of the broken descending channel, says Divine Hood. Yeah, I hope so, man, because I'm hoping to hold these longs over the weekend all the way straight to 100K. Let me see blue candle, baby. Shout out to Flash Smack. He says, fake dump, then we pump for real. Yeah, but when you're in a scalp long, fake dumps are real. Shout out to Flash Smack. Hopefully, Flash Smack, this is a fake dump, and then we blast right through the Van Allen radiation belts. Straight to the moon. Straight to the moon. And if we don't know about those radiation belts, well, they just don't affect us at all. They don't affect us until 40 years later when we try and go back to the moon. Then we have to figure out a way to get past them without ruining the machinery on our rocket ships, if you guys know what I'm talking about. And, why don't I trade on weekends? Well, Saturday is the Sabbath day, so I don't trade on that day. And Sunday is usually a day that I will trade on Sunday. I'll trade on Sunday, but only if it's a really good trade setup. Yeah, but I don't trade on Saturday. And Sundays, a lot of times I like to get a lot of work done around the homestead. As some big whale wallets have woken up, do you think they could be dumping coins? Yeah, they could. They could. There was the rumors like the other day, like 2 days ago during that crazy dump that someone was like dumping from Mount Gox and the government. Yeah, it could absolutely lead to dumps. Come on, Bitcoin, don't do this to me. Jason Casper needs a new pair of shoes. Actually, I just bought a new pair of shoes. I just bought a pair of blue suede shoes. And the reasoning for that is because there was this woman at the congregation that I go for to religious services. And she would always look at my shoes and say, Jason, can't you afford new shoes? Because my shoes were like, you know, duct tape together and stuff. Old shoes. Dress shoes with duct tape and stuff. And she said, can't you afford new shoes? And I said, you know, I could. She was going to buy me shoes. What a nice lady. Well, unfortunately, guys, she passed away recently. She was 94. And she just passed away of old age. So, in her honor, I bought myself a beautiful pair of blue suede shoes. So, all this trading has paid off, guys, in the footwear department. Alright. CVD dropping, but price don't. Let's see. What is CVD? It's cumulative volume delta, Barber Hottie. Cumulative volume delta. That's what it is. Shout out to Laurel Jacques. Laurel Jacques is wearing his wife's high heels. Interesting, my friend. Well, whatever floats your boat, my friend. You know, you do what you want to do. You know, that's what I always tell people. You know, I don't care what people want to do. Just don't be pushing anything on anybody else. You know what I'm saying? Did I get married with my shirt off? Yeah. Yeah, I did. All right, let's look at the order flow here, guys. We need to look at the order flow. Again, we're coming down to our box. All right, if we lose this box, I'm going to be closing my scalp longs. I'm going to be closing scalp longs for the week. Let's see what's happening right now. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. We do have a good amount of shorts opening up here, guys. We have a lot of shorts actually opening up here. We've got some longs opening up too. It's a battle. It's a battle. We don't have any bullish CVD divergences. We do not. But what we do have is shorts opening up. We've got a lot of shorts opening up here. About 1 million in this candle right here. And then this candle's about equal. It's about equal. So let's see what happens here. We're just above VWAP. VWAP, that's what we really want to be aware of, right? This green box is also the VWAP. We got the VWAP in the green box. We got the value area high. And we have the point of control of the more macro range. So, and we understand, though, that, however, the actual technical target of this symmetrical triangle here is going to be below that box. So let's see if we get a fake out, right? If we get a fake out where we absorb shorts into the WAP or something like that, right? Let's see what happens here. Let's see. Technically, on 1 minute market Cipher B, we are getting a hidden bullish divergence. I would never actually trade a hidden bullish div on market Cipher B 1 minute, right? I only look for higher time frames. Make sure to like the video, guys, because if we can get 1,000 likes, we will be giving away a year of the Casper Crew VIP Discord, where we do 3 live streams every day. And these live streams, we give trade setups like this one, which is the trade I'm in right now. All right, come on, Bitcoin, come on. Come on, Bitcoin, come on. What website am I looking at for order flow? I'm looking at ExoCharts and also Coinalize, and Coinalize is free. Shout out to Terpene Hunter. What is going on, man? Thoughts on Nick Fuentes? Man, I don't like Nick Fuentes. But this is not a political show. But I feel like he's just young and he doesn't know very much, and I'm not going to get into it. I appreciate his zeal. Let's just say I appreciate his zeal, but I think it's a little bit misguided. But I'm not going to get into it on this show, guys. Maybe I'll start a new YouTube channel, or it will have to be on another platform where we can talk about anything we want. That'll be fun. That'll be fun. Please say something about OMG coin. Alright, I'll say something about it. What a cool name that someone came up with. OMG, it's like the expression that people say. OMG! It's a coin. How cool is that? I don't really know anything about the technicals. I have no idea. I haven't looked at that ever. I hope there's a short squeeze incoming. Let's check back out to let's check our order flow chart one last time, guys, and see what's going on here. Oh, man. Okay, we are seeing shorts opening up. Now, I do have to say, a lot of shorts opened up here, guys. 1.6 million shorts are in profit right now. It seems that shorts are in control here. So, we need to see CBD come a little bit lower here if we want to get that short squeeze. You know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, we're dancing right on the line right here, actually. We're dancing right on the line. A potential bullish divergence right here. I mean, we do see open interest increasing. You know, we see a lot of shorts opening up here. We're just above the VWAP. We're just above our green box. We're just breaking down from this little triangle thing. We're not hitting our take profits. Yeah, if we break above 30.3, we can sing the Jason Casper Straight to 100K song for certain. Shout out to Tino from Traders Reality. What a cool guy. One day me and Tino are going to do a collab. You know what I'm saying? My thoughts on this guy? Oh, what a great guy, man. Yeah, I love the guy. He's awesome. Love him. When open interest is going up, does that mean longs are opening or general position? It means general positions are opening. So when open interest goes up, it means trades are opening, period, right? So if you're in ExoCharts, you can look at net longs and net shorts. Net longs and net shorts are showing you what side is opening up, but open interest is just telling you positions are opening up in general. When you're looking at CVD, CVD will also tell you what side the positions are opening. So like right here, for example, because CVD is coming down and open interest is going up, this is telling you new trades are opening. Because CVD is getting lower, it's saying those are mostly shorts opening, right? It can kind of tell you how is the move being fueled. Like if open interest is increasing and we're in a trend, you know that the trend is being controlled by people actually entering into the market, as opposed to if we're getting a move and open interest is going down. Like for example, right here, this was a giant short squeeze. We could tell because open interest is getting lower, right? So if open interest is getting lower and CVD is getting lower, you know these are not real shorts entering. These are just longs getting closed out. But if open interest is getting higher and CVD is getting lower, then you know, okay, these are real shorts coming in. And ExoCharts will divide it up into net longs and net shorts for you. Do it for you. I don't mean to bore you, but Exo will do it for you. All right, do we have a spammer in here? Yeah, what's coming? How much can Bitcoin pump next month, bro? I'm sorry, I have to ban you, man. I'm sorry. God bless you, though. Shout out to Jimmy. He says, bring in the goats, White Phoenix, K-Pax, and Boyan for the Casper crew home run hitters. Yeah, one of these days. Well, we do legendary streams in the Casper crew where we have everyone come on at once. But yeah, he's gone. He's gone, guys. He's been banned. All right, so we are potentially forming some bullish CVD here. Let's see if we backtest, if we just backtest this triangle, or if we actually pump straight to 100K. Let me see a blue candle. Short squeeze to 29,450. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Bitcoin needs a final capitulation. It doesn't need a final capitulation, just like the bull market didn't need a blow off top, right? I mean, it doesn't need that. We were all expecting that, as was I. But at least I can say I did buy at the exact bottom, and I could say I longed the exact bottom. Well, I was off by a couple bucks, but I didn't know it was going to be the exact bottom. Shout out to Duper. What is going on? Dave Digital, I have no idea if a ban lasts forever, man. I have no idea. I'm sorry. I don't know. Nice. MEXC has a competition this weekend, up to 200x leverage. Interesting. You know what? I might test out some 200x here and there, just to see what happens. What leverage am I using? 72x, baby. 72x. Now look. People don't understand what leverage is. People do not understand what leverage is, okay? Most people think leverage is just something that you use to gamble your money away. But leverage doesn't matter, okay? There's two reasons to use leverage. One is so that you can split your money across multiple accounts. Two, and the reason why I use it is more of a psychological thing, right? Leverage doesn't matter. It's position size that matters. If you're using 72x leverage and your stop loss gets hit, you should be losing no more money than if you're using 1x leverage and your stop loss gets hit, okay? This trade that I'm taking here, risking less than 1% of my total trading portfolio, doesn't matter if I was using 1x leverage or 72x leverage, because that's not going to change how much I put on the trade, right? Leverage is a tool. It's not anything you use to increase your risk. It doesn't increase your risk. It only changes your liquidation price. Now look at this. When I took the trade, I needed a very, very tight stop loss. Very tight. My stop loss here is 0.1%. What does that mean? That means it doesn't matter how much leverage I use, because I have no risk of getting liquidated if I'm using a 0.1% stop loss, right? I'd have to be using literally 1000x leverage to get liquidated. So, you know, leverage does not matter at all. You can't be taking swing trades with 72x leverage. You need to be taking scalp trades with high leverage, because it literally doesn't matter. Even though I put my stop loss down here, right? A 0.3% move down, it's like if I'm wrong, I'm stopped out, and I don't have to worry about liquidation. And also, I typically do use leverage so that if I'm liquidated, I'm losing about 1 to 1.5% of my total stack, right? So even if I get liquidated, it's still using good risk management, right? So people don't quite understand how to use leverage. When I first got into trading, I didn't understand leverage at all. Right? I didn't understand leverage at all. I didn't understand margin versus leverage. I didn't understand that putting $100 on a trade with 100x leverage is the same as putting $100 on a trade with 1x leverage. I had no idea, right? It is kind of confusing. Oh, man. Oh, my goodness, guys. The pump song is coming on right now. But, you know, it looks like we're backtesting this triangle and getting a rejection here. Let's check out our box. Ooh. Ooh, crap. What just happened to my voice? Ooh. Woo. Yeah. Are we going to dump or are we going to pump? I want to sing so bad, but you know, is it going to... Oh, okay, we're pumping. All right, all right. All right. Let's pump! Alright, here we go. I hope we pump. I hate singing the pump song in vain. Alright, here we go. Let's pump the Bitcoin price. Come on. We gonna dump? No. We gonna pump. Alright? We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah. Alright, come on. The pump song always works. It always pumps the price. Money flow is coming down, it's not looking too good. Okay. Bitcoin, this is your last chance. This is your last chance to pump right now. We want to see this nice rounded curvature right here. This nice round curvature. Shout out to Flat Smack. Alright, let's pump it. Here we go. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, now we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah. Alright, it might have been in vain. We do know sometimes the pump song has a delayed effect. Okay. Uh-oh. We're gonna pump the Bitcoin straight to 100K, baby. Let me see a blue candle. Shout out to Carl from the moon. Shout out to Crypto. We're gonna pump the Bitcoin straight to 100K. Let me see a blue candle. Pump the Bitcoin straight to 100K. Let me see a blue candle. Now, bang, let me see a blue candle. Now, bang, let me see a blue candle. Now, we're going straight to the moon. Shout out to Carl from the moon. Shout out to MM Crypto. Here we go, baby. I hope we don't backtest this trend line. Oh no, come on, come on. Let's pump this Bitcoin. We're going straight up to 100K. 100K. Let's pump this Bitcoin. We're going straight up to 100K. 100. We're gonna pump the Bitcoin straight to 100K. Oh no. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Alright, we might get a bullish divergence right here. Bullish dip. Alright, this one's for you, Carl. Alright, we're hoping for a bounce, baby. Come on. Let's walk the Bitcoin going straight up to 100K. Pump the... I can't sing anymore. Alright. Okay. So we're getting a drop to the downside, alright? We're getting a drop to the downside right now. So the only hope that we have here, in my opinion, is printing a juicy bull div into the box. Right? And if we don't get that, I'm closing my longs. I'm calling it a week, guys. Calling it a week. All right, we broke down from the triangle. We got the back test. The straight to 100K song kind of gave us a little pump. Then halfway through, turns out that Bitcoin doesn't like metalcore. All right. Gonna go back to synthwave music. And technically we do got a bullish div going on here. So let's go back to our order flow chart, okay? Let's see what's going on. We got some shorts coming in. Nothing too crazy, okay? Nothing too crazy. We really want to keep an eye because again, I'm going to be closing out, okay? I'm going to be closing out the long if we lose that box, all right? I'm going to be closing it out. Both of these scalp longs. Closing them out, guys. Closing both of them out. Keep the shorts open. Going to keep the swing longs open as well, obviously. Going to keep the swing longs open. So let's see if we don't lose our box here. Oh, come on, baby. The pump song does have a post-pump effect, all right? Does have a post-pump effect. Yeah, we do need some lyrics for a dumb song, Surface 9. That is true. Yeah, we're let's see if we can't get a little bounce. Let's see if we can't get a little bounce. You know what's interesting, Saizono, is I do have a Rumble channel. Every single video I post on YouTube gets automatically posted to my Rumble. But I don't publicize it. I should, in case I get taken off of YouTube, because I do say stupid things sometimes. I do say stupid things sometimes. All right, here we go, baby. Here we go. We're getting a little bounceroni and queso. Come on, Bitcoin, come on. You can do it. You can do it, Bitcoin. Bitcoin likes country. I love country music. Well, I like bluegrass music. I do like some country music. You know, I like some country music. I'm a big fan of bluegrass. I love bluegrass. I like all music, guys. I love rap. I love metal. I love rock. I love bluegrass. I love country. I love classical. I love jazz. I'm a musical guy. You know, I was in orchestra. I was in jazz band. I was in the wind ensemble. You know. When I was a kid, I used to listen to classical music every night. My dad used to wonder if maybe I was a little bit on the other side of the street. He was happy when I started liking girls. He was always a little bit curious about Jason Casper. But you know, everything turned out all right. So we do have a bull div here, guys. We got the bull div right here. Let's see if we can't pump this Bitcoin straight to 100K. Let me see a blue candle up in here. Yeah, I like old rap, you know, new rap. Honestly, a lot of new rap I thought was a joke. Like, when I first heard about this rapper named 2 Chainz, I literally thought it was a joke, like a sarcastic joke. There's a rapper named 2 Chainz and his song was Big Booty Ho. I thought it was a joke. I thought it was like sarcasm. Turned out he was super serious, you know? And a lot of these rappers, I think that too. Like, no offense, I know I'm gonna piss people off, but like, I'm not gonna mention artists, all right? But y'all know who I'm talking about. These guys, what they literally, I don't think they have any talent. I'll be blunt with you, okay? I don't think they have any talent, because they don't have to rhyme or make sense. They don't have to enunciate their words properly. They put on the auto-tune, and somebody else makes the beat. Somebody else makes the beat. They're not even the ones programming the beat. And let's be honest, anyone can make a beat. Anyone can make a dang beat. If you have Logic, if you have GarageBand, it's not like you're the one playing those instruments. Someone else, you're just putting the loops together. You know what I'm saying? So, I know I'm probably pissing people off right now. I'm spitting the truth! I'm spitting the truth! Miss Drill. Interesting, Royal Fresh. Now, look, I know there's a lot of good new rappers out there, right? I know there are. I'm talking about the ones that seem to be super huge for no reason. I don't get that. I don't get that. Oh, here we go, baby. Here we go. Bitcoin's getting a pump. Here we go, baby. Here we go. That's what I'm talking about, baby. See, the pump song did work. It just had a little late, a little effect, late effect there. If the blue candle lasts for longer than 4 hours, call your doctor. Let's check the 4-hour time frame. Man, the 4-hour looks like, guys, the 4-hour looks like we could really pump this Bitcoin straight to 100K. Look at this. Look at the 4-hour on the VWAP. Looks like the blue candle is definitely going to last for more than 4 hours, so we might need to call a doctor. The money flow is coming to the upside as well. Here we go, baby. Oh, I guess you guys can't see Market Cipher B. You can't see it. Here, let me put on Market Cipher. Look at this 4-hour. It's looking good, man. It's looking good. See that? See that VWAP right here? Jimmy? The Casper Tech indicators? I never heard of that, man. I don't know. I literally never heard of that. Oh, thank you for the vocals. Yeah, I know that's true. That's why I'm not a vocalist. I'm a guitarist. I don't know how to scream at all. But I appreciate the advice. Michael Jason says his wife was just like, is that crypto death metal? No, it's not death metal. It's early 2000s metalcore. I mean late 2000 metalcore, 2008 to 2012 metalcore. You know what I'm talking about, right? Tight jeans metalcore, hair in the face metalcore. Everyone wants to look like Ollie Sykes, and everyone wants to dance around like Attack metalcore. Everyone wants to jog in place metalcore. Synchronized headbanging metalcore. You know what I'm talking about. You guys know. You know the genre. Here we go, baby. 12 minute looking bullish as heck. 12 minute is looking bullish as heck. Let's go, baby. About to get a Friday pump, baby. Come on. Do I ever give a discount on the Casper crew? No, I don't, but I'm trying to give it away for free. If everyone right now likes the video, we're going to give it away for free, but it has to be real soon because I have to dip out of here within the next 7 hours. Yeah, two-stepping metalcore, you know what I'm saying? Two-stepping metalcore, absolutely, you know? Because it was like this happy medium. You got to sing for the girls, you got to play breakdowns for the guys, and you got to play two-step for the old hardcore kids from the 90s. You know what I'm saying? You gotta make everybody happy. That's what metalcore is about, making everybody happy. Dress like a woman, you know, makes the liberals happy. Sing in the chorus makes the girls happy. Breakdowns makes those fat guys with the gauges and the flannel shirt in the front happy. Two-step makes the hardcore kids from the 90s happy. Did I ever listen to Atreyu? Of course, man. Dan Jacobs. Yeah, of course, man. Who didn't listen to Atreyu? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Harry Mack, yeah, Harry Mack he's amazing at freestyling, man. That guy's legit. Win a CF collab. Next time CryptoFace hits me up in Discord and says, "Hey, man, you want to come on?" That's the next time we'll collab. Is Buoyant's here right now? Shout out to Okie Dokie. Nice show far, my friend. I don't see Buoyant in the chat. Ah, Buoyant's right here. What? Shout out to Buoyant in the chat. Oh snap. Buoyant in the chat. Buoyant, bro, I was just talking about how you gave that juicy trade setup, man. I was just talking about how you gave that juicy trade setup. Let's see. This one right here, bro. I was just talking about this. Buoyant, look at Buoyant. He gave this setup in the London Open stream, drew a little squiggly line. Price respects a squiggly line. Literally almost to the exact dollar. I think it's like 30 cents lower than his squiggly line. Now that's crazy stuff. That's crazy stuff. Very similar to the trade I'm in right now. But I got in at the retest. I did not long it. I was there. I watched it hit the bottom. But I was waiting for a little bit lower. I was waiting for price to come down to right here. Okay? I was waiting for 28,850, right? Should have been watching Buoyant's TA because I had to wait until we came down to the 786 retest, you know? And if we get 1,000 likes, somebody's gonna win lifetime VIP Casper Crew access, and you'll get to watch Buoyant's live stream every single weekday for London Open, unless he's taking a week off or something, which, you know, he's allowed to do. He can do whatever he wants, man. All right, we are pumping. Buoyant's still in the long as well. That's legit. As I Lay Dying is the perfect example of a metalcore band. You know, I love As I Lay Dying, you know? Some tattoos, some steroids, some trying to kill your wife, some coming back, doing it again. That's the definition of metalcore, in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? But no, in all seriousness, I love As I Lay Dying. Everybody loves As I Lay Dying. Every metalcore band is a ripoff of As I Lay Dying, in my opinion. You know, they really did popularize that genre. I know there's others, but the whole singing in the chorus, breakdowns and all that, they pioneered that, in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? Does Boyan take his shirt off? That's so funny, Big Balls DGen, because here's something you all should know about Boyan. I don't know if he would be happy with me sharing this, but Boyan is a bodybuilder. Boyan is shredded. So yeah, he takes off his shirt. He's a competitive bodybuilder. So that's a little Boyan secret. Sorry, Boyan, for sharing your secrets, bro. Boyan likes Pantera. He's into that old school metal. He's into Dimebag Darrell. We have a 3-day green dot. Interesting. Haste the Day. Classic, classic, classic. Oh, man. Craig says, never trust Christian medical brands. They are haram. I will say this, okay? I was in that scene, okay? And every single Christian metalcore band I ever came across was not legit, except For Today. For Today was 100% legit. And they walked the walk and talked the talk. Everyone else, they were just trying to ride a wave, man. It's a sad thing. It's a sad thing. But in general, that is true. Never trust Christian metalcore bands. Man, I remember. I used to tour with like Texas in July and some of these other bands. I mean, even the Devil Wears Prada was supposed to be Christian, right? And so was the guy from Attack Attack who went to Mice and Men, you know, with the Roman numerals on his throat and the heart problem, was Austin Carlisle, right? Everyone was supposed to be Christian. What was up with that, right? The 2009 to 2010 Christian metalcore craze. Also, I think August Burns Red stayed pretty legit as well. But they weren't super Christian, you know what I'm saying? Like For Today was super Christian. They would like in between songs they'd be like, "Y'all better repent or you're going to hell. Our next song is called," you know? They were legit. Shout out to Crypto Plumber. What do I think about the Hobbit Exchange? I've never heard of it, man, so I can't give a good opinion on it. Oh, we have 1,000 likes, baby. We're gonna do a giveaway. All right, we're gonna do a giveaway. All right, guys. So in order to do the giveaway, you have to join my free Discord. So join the free Discord. Link in the description. And then I'm gonna have you comment on a video, and you're gonna comment. Yeah, you're gonna comment on the video, and then the winner gets to get into the real into the VIP Discord. Does Apex have hedge mode? I don't know, because I've never actually traded on Apex. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Thank you guys so much for liking the video. God bless you all. August Burns Red is legit. Asking Alexandria was unique. Yeah, Asking Alexandria, they were an interesting band, man. They came out of nowhere, like. But you know what? Ash from Sumerian. You know, Sumerian Records was a really good record label. I mean, I'm sure they still are. I've been out of it for so long. But when Ash got a band and he had faith in that band, he would really do the best he could to really push them. And there was just some kind of synergy that happened with Asking Alexandria. I mean, they went from nothing. I actually, believe it or not, I played shows with them before they were big, and then they went from like, somehow they were like a band from the UK living in America, like living in a van, and now all of a sudden they're like headlining North American tours. It's pretty crazy. You know what I'm saying? That happened like overnight. I remember that. All right, so let's Let's get a video for you guys to comment on here. Let's get a video for y'all to comment on. Sorry for getting all metal on you guys, you know. I was in that world for a while there. I was in that world for a while. All right, I'm gonna post a link in the YouTube chat. And I'm gonna post the live stream we did this morning where we gave this long setup, all right? And I just want you to comment on it, and then we'll do a random comment picker. All right, so I just pinned a comment into the YouTube chat, all right? So guys, listen, I pinned a comment in the YouTube chat. Click that link and leave a comment. Click that link and leave a comment. And after that happens, guys, I will do a random checker. Did I get the Food Freedom Geodome? No, but I read the email. I heard about that thing. I should probably go check that email. All right, are we losing our box here, guys? Hang on. Are we losing our box? Nah, but we're coming back down to test the box. The 24-minute looks awful. The 12-minute looks kind of good, though, huh? 24-minute doesn't look too bad. It actually doesn't look too bad. All right, we're gonna do a few more minutes here, guys. Like a minute and a half. So go ahead and click the link. It's in the pinned comment in the YouTube chat, guys. All right, I just took some profits out on this long scalp here, guys. I got 1 Bitcoin left in the trade. I'm looking to take out some profit here as well. Come on. Trying to hit this TP right here. Up, hit. All right, all right. Oh, my goodness. Wow. Jeez, man. Wow. Oh, my goodness. Wow. All right, so look. Hit some TPs on this, all right? I'm satisfied with these gains here. That's a good profit between the two longs. All right, now we're gonna come over to the video. This was the live stream this morning where we gave the setup for the long that we are currently in right now.
Just sit out there all day. There's tons of fish out there.
Right, we're looking for the bounce off the 786. Talking about how we gotta be patient. It's like fishing. All right, so did you guys comment on this? Oh wow, yeah, we got comments, baby. Comments out the wazoo, baby. All right. All right, so we're gonna go to a random comment picker. Now that I FOMO'd out, I'm gonna close some of these limits here and just shoot for the highs. Gonna shoot for the highs. Let's see if we pump over the weekend. All right, we got like 400 comments. Let's see who's our winner. Looks like Alexandru Bria is the winner. Says Casper Crew rocks. Shout out to Alexandru Bria. All right, Alexandru Bria. I need you to post in the YouTube chat your Discord username, 4 digits. Discord username, 4 digits. All right, Alexandru. Looking for your comment in the YouTube chat here. Post it in the YouTube chat and we will add you lifetime VIP member. Shout out to Gabriel Estevez. Always looks forward to the stream and the juiciest updates. Glad to hear that. All right, got it right here. Thank you, Alexandru. Wait, okay, cool. You're already VIP, I see, so now you're lifetime. You are lifetime now. We'll put you on the lifetime list. All right, so go ahead, cancel if you are subscribed through Patreon or the website. Go ahead, cancel it right now, and we will make sure that you stay lifetime forever. Put you on the list. Well, congratulations. And here we are. We got the fake out to the downside. Now let's see if we can break out, guys. Man, I shouldn't have FOMO'd out those profits, huh? Just kidding. You know, profit's profit, guys. I'm done for the week right now, so I'll take it. I'm schlong, I'm long, I'm short, I'm long. Shout out to Brendan Shoemaker. God bless you, man. God bless you. All right, guys. Well, it's been a good stream. I'm going to head out. I hope everyone has a great weekend. Honestly, God bless you all. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch me make an idiot of myself on the internet. Appreciate it. May the Lord bless you. May He protect you. May He shine light upon you. May He have grace upon you. May the Lord turn His face towards you and give you wholeness and peace. Shalom. In the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah, the God, the Creator God, and the God of the whole world. Amen. You guys have a great weekend. I'll see you Sunday, maybe. Peace.